Don't make the same mistake I do every year, and every time we get a glimpse of spring, you throw away all your winter clothes and jump in your swimsuit. Unless you live here at 7910 Chianti Way, where pool season is all year round because you have a gunite heated saltwater pool with custom waterfalls and custom lighting. And not to mention a sick view of that mountain. Looks this good at night, you just became the entertaining icon on the block. Chianti, anyone? Beautiful outdoor oasis also has a house that comes with it, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms in the Brock Pointe subdivision. Book your private showing today and come see it before it's gone.